Every lockout situation requires a handful of tools. The BigEasy Wedge Door Toolkit by Steck Manufacturing contains the most important accessories to make that process quick and easy. This kit includes an easy air wedge and window wedge, with an improved design that is wider, longer, and smoother to help create enough space to use either the lock knob plastic tool or the BigEasy long reach tool. This BigEasy long reach tool is 55 inches long, made of 1/4-inch steel, and features glow-in-the-dark yellow for better visibility at night or through tinted windows. You can also use the paint protector to reduce friction between the car door and the BigEasy tool as you reach for the door handle or lock button. The lock knob plastic tool can be used to lift flat lock knobs located on the top of the door panel. A carrying case with convenient pockets is included so you can keep all of these accessories in one place. You can find the Steck BigEasy Wedge Door Toolkit by shopping Lockout tools on zips.com.